In the world of racing, where every heartbeat echoes with a relentless pursuit of glory, there exists a realm that transcends the limits of speed, where emotions run as wild as the machines themselves. Vessels of pure emotion capture the spirit of a generation that believed in the impossible. The embodiment of dreams, the echoes of courage, and the symphony of relentless determination. With every twist of the wrist, they dance on the edge of control, heartbeats of legends, and the echoes of history. Born iconic.
I know that sound.